in and filled it in. I was stressing, but you made me full again. Did I tell you? You made me full again. You made me feel again. I never thought I could love someone like you. I never thought I could love again. But you came in my heart and you came again. Hey, I never thought it was possible. I never thought it was possible. But you made me full again. And I thank you for that. I never thought about that. But you made me full again. You know what I'm gonna say next? What?
You made me full again.
I had a hole in my heart. I was stressing. Didn't think I could come out of it. Hey, but you made me full again. Fuck that bitch, she put a hole in my heart. You came in and you saved up my heart. Made me full again. You made me full again. Fuck that bitch, she put a hole in my heart. She did me dirty and like, hey, she did me dirty and you made me full again. You made me full again. Fuck that bitch, she put a hole in my heart. But you made me full again. I never thought it would happen. I never thought it would happen. Spitting right here while I'm just rapping. Spitting my soul to you. And you made me what again?
You made me full again.
Hey, you made me feel again. Felt that hole in my heart. And I thank you for that. And I thank you for that. Cause I was broken. I was broken. But you made me full again. But you made me feel again. I never thought I could love you. But you made me full again. I never thought I could love again. After that bitch did me dirty. But you what? But you what?
Made me feel again.
You made me full again. Hey, that's some sad shit, bro. That's some sad shit. I was fucked up. I was broken, bro. I was broken. But you made me full again. You made me full. Hey, don't worry, baby. You made me full again. That's all that matters. She did me dirty, baby. But you what?
Made me full again.
You made me full again, baby. You made me full again. Thank you, baby.
I love you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I thank you, though.
You're welcome. I love
Because
you.
when the bitch did me dirty, you made me full again. I never thought I would love it again, babe. I never thought I would love again. I never thought I would love again. I just never thought. But you did. You came in my life. You made me full again, baby. You made me full of fucking again, bro. You filled in my heart. Like, bitch did me dirty, bro. She fucking slept with another nigga, bro. Fuck her, bro. You the queen of my heart. For real, bro. You the queen of my heart, for real. Like,
for an effective
you the
defense
for real
against
queen of
erosion
my heart.
I recommend new
Like,
Pronamel Active
you for
Shield.
real. Like,
For 2 times stronger
you
defense
really-
against erosion and
you
effective
really
cavity
fucking-
protection.
you really
New
filled in
Pronamel
my
Active
heart.
Shield is a game changer.
Like, you really filled in my heart. Like,
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Love you.
like you fucking